Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use PIP feature or play YouTube video in picture-in-picture mode in any iPhone and iPad in any iOS version without computer, without Cydia or without Premiere account of YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, what we have to do, launch App Store. Here we are going to search for an application named X.app. This is the app. The app size is only 2 MB. Very useful for YouTube. I already downloaded this application, so that's why I'm going to open it. You just need to open this application. Now minimize the application. Now launch YouTube. I'm going to choose my own channel because of copyright. Now in front of the any video, tap on 3 dot. Now tap on share. Tap more. Here you can see two options: X video full screen, X video picture-in-picture mode. Tap on it and this software will automatically get your video. Now tap picture-in-picture mode. Technical World. Today in this video we will talk about airdrop issue in iPhone and iPad.
We are
airdrop is not saving or sending files
in any
and
iPhone
many more.
Without
Cydia, without wasting any time, let's get started to fix the airdrop issue on iPhone and iPad.
Hopefully friends, you found
the
this
first
video
thing
helpful,
that
so
we have to
please
make sure that
don't forget to subscribe, like and share
Bluetooth
with your friends
and the
and
Wi-Fi
family.
is turned
Thanks
on.
for watching.
Then
Take care. Bye bye.
what we have to do, set everything